Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Ethernet no internet access problem on Windows 11. First, we will run the built-in network troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Internet Connections and click Run next to it. Follow the instructions on your screen and let Windows check for problems. If it finds an issue, apply the suggested fix. If the problem is still there, we will reset the network settings. Go back to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Then click on Network Reset. Press Reset now and confirm. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and reset all network settings to default. Your computer will restart after this step. If the issue continues, we will reset the network stack using Command Prompt. Click on Start, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. In the black window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each line. First type ipconfig/flushdns. Once that is done, type netshwinsock reset. Finally, type netshintip reset. After running all commands, restart your PC. Once your computer turns back on, check your Ethernet connection again. In most cases, these steps will restore your internet access. Thanks for watching.